This is a question based on upstream and downstream from CAT 2023 slot 2. Boat takes 2 hours to travel downstream. Let's say the distance between these two ports is D. So D distance was covered with the speed of what? U1 plus V. The U1 is the speed of the first port and V is the speed of water. And 3 hours to return to the port A. So this is given equal to 2. The same distance D was covered during upstream. So U minus V will be the speed of upstream. This is given equal to 3. Fine. And another boat takes a total of 6 hours to travel from port B to port A and return to port B again. That means the total time taken by the second boat will be only 6 hours. While the time taken by first boat is 5 hours, that means speed of the first boat is more than the speed of second boat. Let's say the speed of second boat is U2. So the second boat will travel these t kilometers. U2 plus V will be the downstream time plus T by U2 minus V will be the upstream time, and this total time is given equal to 6. If the speed of boats and rivers are constant, then the time in hours taken by the slower boat to travel from port A to port B. Port A to port B, that means I'm looking for this time. Fine. Now, when you divide these two equations, what do we get? You get U1 minus V by U1 plus V is equal to 2 by 3. When you simplify this, you get 3U1 minus 3V is equal to 2U1 plus 2V. So effectively with U1 is equal to 5 times of V. Yes, sir. So you know the speed of boat in terms of what? Speed of water. What else is given here? Now let's put it here in the first equation. U1 is 5V. So the first equation will give you D by 5V plus V, that is 6V, is equal to 2. So what's the total distance? Distance will become 12 times of V. Now when you put D equal to 12V here, what do we get? 12V by U2 plus V plus what is D? Again 12V by U2 minus V is equal to 6. So what is common here? 12V. 12V goes on that side. What do we get? We can say that 1 by this is U2 square minus V square is equal to 2U2 is equal to 6 by 12V. This 2 will cancel it out 3 times. So effectively you'll be left with the U2 by U2 square minus V square is equal to 1 by 4V. Yes or no? After simplification, what do you get? U2 square minus 4U2V and minus V square is equal to 0. This is the equation we get from here. Now let's divide the whole equation by V square. When you divide the whole equation by V square, it becomes U2 by V whole square minus 4 times of U2 by V minus 1 equal to 0. And let's take this U2 by V equal to X. When U2 by V will become equal to X, so you'll get a quadratic equation here. X squared minus 4X minus 1 equals 0. I'll take the positive root from here. X is equal to minus B, that is 4, plus minus root of B square, that is 16, minus 4AC will be equal to 4 by 2A, that is 2. So get two values of X from here. One is positive and the other one is what? Negative. I'll take the positive one. X equal to 4 plus root of 20 divided by 2. Root 20 can be written as 2 root 5. 2 will be taken common. So effectively, I'll be left with what? 2 plus root 5. This is the value of x. And what was x? It was u2 by v. Now let's see what we need to calculate here. We need to find that what is the time taken by slower boat to travel from port A to port B. That means you need to find d by u2 plus v. What is d here? We know that d was equal to 12v. So this is 12v divided by u2. u2 by v, this u2 by v was equal to x, which is 2 plus root 5. The value of u2 will become 2 plus root 5 into v. 2 plus root 5 into V plus V. V will be cancelled out and finally you will be left with what? 12 by 2 plus root 5 plus 1 is 3 plus root 5. It's 3 plus root 5. So when you factorize, rationalize it, the answer will be 12 into 3 minus root 5 divided by 9 minus 5 is 4. So effectively with 3 times of 3 minus root 5. Yes or no? This was a lengthy question, not the tough one.